Welcome, dear viewers, to a captivating journey through the depths of the cosmos. In this video, we will explore one of the most astonishing phenomena of the universe, gravitational waves. These strange pulsations in spacetime, predicted by Einstein over a century ago, provide us with a unique window into the most violent and mysterious events in the universe. Join us as we seek to answer this fundamental question: what celestial revelations do gravitational waves hold for us? We embark on our odyssey by returning to the dawn of time, to a moment after the Big Bang, when the universe was incredibly dense and hot. Gravitational waves emitted during these primordial moments carry crucial information about the genesis of our cosmos. Discover how scientists achieved the feat of detecting gravitational waves for the first time in 2015, thanks to the LIGO and Virgo observatories. This extraordinary advancement opened a new era of astronomy, allowing us to hear the echoes of the Big Bang. When gravitational waves emitted by the Big Bang were first detected, they were so faint that they caused a minuscule displacement of spacetime, thousands of times smaller than an atom. Gravitational waves are generated during cataclysmic events such as black hole collisions, supernovae, or neutron star mergers. These extreme phenomena deform spacetime, creating ripples that propagate throughout the universe. Dive into the bold explorations of scientists searching for fleeting signals of gravitational waves. These sensitive detectors must overcome the challenges of the Earth's and space's environments to capture the most distant and powerful events in the cosmos. In 2017, the LIGO and Virgo observatories detected gravitational waves resulting from the merger of two neutron stars, triggering a cosmic alert that allowed astronomers worldwide to observe the event with conventional telescopes, marking a new era of astronomical multi-messenger observations. Explore how gravitational waves propagate through spacetime, distorting everything in their path. By analyzing these traveling waves, scientists can map the evolution of the most exotic celestial objects, offering an unprecedented look into the cosmos. Could gravitational waves reveal clues about the existence of extra dimensions in the universe beyond the three that we know? Some theories of fundamental physics suggest that gravitational waves could escape into hidden dimensions. In 2019, the LIGO and Virgo observatories detected a remarkable signal, named GW190521, originating from the merger of two massive black holes. This collision created an even more massive black hole, defying the limits of our understanding of these celestial objects. One of the great mysteries of modern physics is reconciling general relativity, Einstein's theory of gravity, with quantum mechanics, which governs the laws of the subatomic world. Gravitational waves could provide us with a realm of exploration for the long-sought theory of quantum gravity. Some researchers have suggested that primordial gravitational waves, created in the early moments after the Big Bang, could contain crucial information about quantum gravity and the conditions that shaped our universe. When gravitational waves traverse space, they rarely interact with other particles or forces, making them pure and unblemished messengers of distant astrophysical phenomena. As we conclude our exploration of gravitational waves, we realize how these mysterious signals reveal the richness and diversity of the cosmos. From echoes of the Big Bang to titanic collisions of celestial objects, gravitational waves invite us to discover the farthest and most violent reaches of the universe. By continuing our research and expanding our understanding of gravitational waves, we are writing a new chapter in the history of astronomy, where the secrets of the cosmos are unveiled through these invisible yet powerful waves. Let us always keep our eyes turned to the starry sky, for each discovery opens new perspectives, transforming our view of the universe and our place within it. May this video inspire you to further explore the celestial wonders that surround us and nurture your infinite curiosity in the face of the infinitely grand as well as the infinitely small.